This is a demonstration on how to create a VoiceThread assignment in which students will create their own voice threads, submit them, and then also share them with peers in the class. To do this, we create two voice threads. The first voice thread is the assignment in which the student will submit their own voice thread. The second is the course view of VoiceThread, in which students will enter, see all of their peers' voice threads, be able to play a voice thread, and make comments. First, let's create the assignment in which the student will create their voice thread and submit it to you and to your class. Add an activity or resource and select External Tool. We will give this assignment a name. And we will select VoiceThread. You will also assign the points possible that will report into the Foxtail gradebook, and then save and display. We will open in a new tab, and because we want this assignment to report into the Foxtail gradebook, we will select Assignment Builder. Because we want the student to create their own voice thread, we will select Create a Voice Thread. Here we can give a description to students and then allow students to resubmit the assignment if we like, and create that assignment. We have created a VoiceThread assignment in which the students will submit their voice thread. Now we will want to create that voice thread in which students will see all of the submissions that their peers have made. We'll go to Add an Activity or Resource, select External Tool, and give this activity a name. And select VoiceThread. In this case, we won't be grading the students. All of that work is done in the first assignment. And then we will save and display. We will select Course View, which means that all of the voice threads that have been shared in this course will be visible. Returning to the course home page, let's take a look at an assignment where students have submitted their own voice threads. I am entering this assignment as an instructor. I will click on Open in a new tab. And now I'm able to see the students that have submitted work and those who have not yet submitted. I will be able to remind all students to give them a little nudge, and I can also click on a particular student's submission. And in addition to seeing that student's work, I am also able to see contributions other students have made. I will be able to assign a grade to that student, which will then report into the course gradebook. While students went into this first voice thread to create their own voice thread that they would share with the class, it is important to note that the students do not return to this voice thread. They make the submission and then they move to the second voice thread in which the course view of VoiceThread is made available. The student will enter this voice thread, open in a new tab, and now the students will see all of the voice threads that their peers have shared. It is at this point that they can click on a particular peer's voice thread, and now they will be able to make contributions in the form of comments.